Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's nice to have you here. Today I'm going to be talking about PHP as one of the most popular language on the websites. This is going to be one of the first video I do on PHP language. From now on I'll be making different videos, different tutorials how to program using this language. So if you are really interested, don't forget to subscribe, and you can always post any comments, any question that you have in the comment section of this video. First thing first, what is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It's one of the most common languages on the websites used for creating the backend of websites. So if you want, for example, to do things like pulling data from a database and presenting them to the user on the web browser, this is the language to use. So this might be a bit advanced for anyone who doesn't have any knowledge or any background in PHP. So don't worry. In the future videos, I'm gonna be covering the basics. Today's video is going to be about frameworks, which is a way of creating a website using PHP, but faster, meaning that you don't have to write everything from scratch. You can always, use a framework, build on it, extend it, and deploy your project as quick as possible. So why use a framework? There are so many reasons why you can opt to use a framework. The most obvious reason is that it allows you to deploy your project as fast as possible, since you don't have to code everything on your own. You can choose from many open sources, as we will see later on. I will show you the most popular frameworks available nowadays. You can always choose one according to your business needs and develop using it. So with frameworks, there are always reusable components or libraries which you can always grab and just incorporate in your projects. The most popular frameworks are Laravel. There is Codeganeta. Codeganeta is one of the easier to learn. It has so many documentations, and I'm gonna spend a little bit more time talking about it later on. So there are other frameworks like Symfony, there is Nete, there is Zend, Yi, Cake, PHP, Falcon, etc. etc. So if you want to learn more about them, just go to their websites. You just Google, for example, Laravel. Google will direct you to their website where you can find the documentation and much more about them. Codeganeta, like I was saying, Codeganeta is one of the most popular PHP frameworks available. It is popular because it's easy to use. It is lightweight, meaning that it doesn't occupy too much space in your computer memory. It uses MVC architecture, which is a nice way of separating codes or logic in your application. MVC stands for Model View Controller, meaning that the view, which is what the user sees in web browser, and the model, which is mostly the connection to databases or data, are separated from each other, and all of them are controlled within the controller part. So the Codeganeta is very well documented. You can always find a lot of resources on their website. They have very documented know how to use this PHP framework. There are so many forums, so many discussions online. You can always post any question that you have, and other developers will always be able to answer to your questions. This framework has so many reusable classes: FTTP, encoding, file upload, unity testing, and much more. So you can always reuse them, and you can always write your own and use it within the existing project. So it's really one of the best. I would recommend anyone who is starting with frameworks to go for this. Next, in the upcoming video, the next to this video, I'll be sharing how to get Codeganeta for free, how to start your first project, and much more. You can always get it on Codeganeta official website. I will talk it a little bit more in a separate video. So you just need to download it and zip it and add the file to your root server, and you are ready to go. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be sharing another video how to get this framework and how to structure your project and much more. Thank you for watching. It's always nice to have you here. Feel free to post any comments or any question that you might have, and please subscribe so that you won't miss the next tutorial. Stay safe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.